Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the loudspeaker in an iPhone 4S. If you did want to get it booked in with a professional, or you want to buy any of the parts or tools included in this video, just click the link in the description below. So to begin, you want to remove the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the iPhone. Once they're out, to remove the back, simply slide it from the bottom and lift away. You can then change to a posi drive screwdriver piece and remove the two screws covering the charge port. Once they're out, simply put your fingernail under and pry away, or use one of the tools from the kit. You can then remove the two screws covering the battery. And as we did with the charge port cover, simply pry off from the corner, like so. Just remove the aerial and leave it with the screw that you took it from. Once that's out, if you want to remove the small aerial connector with your fingernail and bend it around the clips. Once you're at this point, you're ready to remove the loudspeaker, which is just with the two screws in the base of the phone. With the one on the left hand side, there's a small triangular plastic cover. Once you're at this point, to remove it, just lift away from the bottom of the speaker. You can then get your new loudspeaker, which can be bought in the link in the description. When you fit it, just make sure that the pins at the top go under the chassis rail. So top in first. Once you're happy they're located, push down to the base and keep pressure on it until you've got at least one screw in. Once the plastic cover's on, you can screw down and remove your finger. Once you're at this point, if you bend the aerial connector around the screw and into the bracket, simply line it up and push down. You'll hear a little click when it goes in place. You're then ready to replace the aerial connector. Line it up first. Once you're happy it's in position, bend the battery connector over and clip in. You can then locate the charge port ribbon. Once that's in position, you just smooth the ribbon down to the bottom of the phone and screw down the charge port cover. Once you've done that, you get the back of the phone. Start just a few mil above the chassis, push down firmly and then smooth towards the bottom of the phone. If you replace the two pentalobe screws in the bottom of the iPhone, and there you have it, a loudspeaker replaced in an iPhone 4S.